Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make orbit ring effect around a model using stroke path. Then select the pen tool and draw curved orbit crossing behind the subject. Switch to the brush tool and choose a soft brush. Add color to make the brush for a glowing orbit. Right click the path using the pen tool, then select stroke path and choose a brush tool. Lower opacity for a natural light flow. Add second orbit for a layered cosmic effect. Apply outer glow to intensify the sci-fi feel. Use mask to hide parts of the orbit behind the subject and also add hue and saturation for colorful variations. This effect works perfectly for futuristic